Control your smart TV with just your voice. Turn it on or off, change channels, open apps, adjust the volume, and search or play your favorite content without using the remote. In this video, I will show you how to connect Alexa to your smart TV step by step, and also how to fix the most common problems if Alexa does not connect or control your TV properly. The steps can look slightly different depending on your TV brand, but the main process is almost the same for Samsung, LG, Sony, and other Alexa-compatible smart TVs. Before starting, keep three things ready: your smart TV, your Alexa device or Alexa app, and a smartphone with the Alexa app installed. Once these are ready, let's begin the setup. Before connecting anything, the first thing you should check is whether your smart TV actually supports Alexa. Go to your TV settings and look for options like Voice Assistant, Smart Assistant, Alexa, TV control with smart speakers, or Set up TV for Alexa. If you do not see any Alexa option or any supported TV control app, then your TV may not support direct Alexa control. And if your TV is older or unsupported, Alexa may not control every feature. Now make sure all your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your smart TV should be on Wi-Fi, your Alexa device should be on the same Wi-Fi, and your phone with the Alexa app should also be connected to that same Wi-Fi. If Alexa cannot find your TV, check that your phone has not switched to mobile data. And if the setup keeps failing again and again, restart your router and try the setup one more time. Next, install and open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. You can install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have an Amazon account, create one before continuing. Also make sure the Alexa app is updated before you start the setup. Now you need to enable Alexa on your smart TV. Open the Alexa related app or the voice assistant setting on your TV, then follow the instructions shown on the TV screen. If your TV shows a QR code, scan it with your phone. If the QR code does not work, use the manual sign-in or authorization code option if your TV shows one. When the TV asks you to sign in, use your Amazon account and complete the setup on the screen. After enabling Alexa on the TV, add the TV inside the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices, tap the plus icon, then select Add Device. Choose TV from the list, and if your TV brand appears, select it. After that, follow the prompts in the app until your TV is linked. The next important part is enabling the correct TV brand skill. In the Alexa app, go to Skills and Games and search for your TV brand skill. Samsung TVs may need SmartThings, LG TVs may need LG ThinQ, and Sony TVs may need BRAVIA or the Sony TV skill. Enable the correct skill, sign in with the same brand account that is used on the TV, and then link that account with Alexa. Once the skill is enabled, let Alexa discover your TV. You can simply say, "Alexa, discover devices." You can also use the device discovery option inside the Alexa app. Wait while Alexa searches for the TV. If the TV does not appear, restart the TV and the Alexa device, then run discovery again. After Alexa finds the TV, link your Alexa device with that TV. In the Alexa app, select your TV and connect it with the Alexa speaker or Echo device that will control it. If you have more than one TV, rename each TV clearly. Use simple names like Living Room TV or Bedroom TV. Avoid confusing names because Alexa may control the wrong TV. Now, test the connection with basic voice commands. Start with simple commands like Alexa, turn on the TV, Alexa, turn off the TV, Alexa, volume up, Alexa, open YouTube, Alexa, switch to HDMI 1, or Alexa, change the channel to channel name. Keep in mind that available commands can depend on your TV brand, model, app, and region. If Alexa cannot find your TV, start with the basic checks first. Confirm that your TV, phone, and Alexa device are all on the same Wi-Fi network. Then restart your smart TV, restart your Alexa device, restart the Alexa app, and restart your router. Also update your TV firmware and update the Alexa app. If the TV still does not appear, disable and re-enable the TV brand skill, run device discovery again, and check that your TV is signed in to the correct account. If you are having QR code or sign-in problems, make sure your phone camera can clearly scan the QR code on the TV screen. If needed, increase the TV screen brightness so the code is easier to scan. If QR scanning still fails, use the manual code option if it is available. If the QR code does not appear at all, restart the TV and open the Alexa setup screen again. Also check that your TV software is updated. If Alexa can turn your TV off but cannot turn it on, check your TV settings for options like remote start, quick start, mobile TV on, or wake by Wi-Fi. If your TV shows one of these options, enable it. Some TVs need this setting turned on before Alexa can power the TV on by voice. If your TV model does not support this feature, Alexa may only turn it off or control it while it is already on. If you are using LG ThinQ or any TV brand skill and it is not working properly, first make sure the TV is registered inside the brand app. For LG, open the LG ThinQ app and confirm that the TV is added properly. Use the same login where possible across the TV app, the brand app, and the Alexa app. If the skill still does not work, unlink it and link it again, then run device discovery again. If Alexa is not responding to TV commands, check that the Alexa device microphone is not muted. Say the TV name clearly and try a simpler command. Also check that Alexa is controlling the correct TV. If you have multiple TVs, rename them clearly so Alexa does not get confused. If you're using a TV remote with Alexa built in, stay close enough to the remote microphone. If Alexa keeps loading or does not respond, restart the TV and the Alexa device. If app or channel commands are not working, first confirm that the app is installed on your smart TV. Open the app manually once and sign in if needed. Then try a different command style, like Alexa open Netflix or Alexa play show name on app name. Some app and channel commands may not work on every TV brand or in every region. That's it for this video on how to connect Alexa to your smart TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you set up voice control and fix the common problems if Alexa is not finding or controlling your TV properly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this setup work for your TV? Let me know your TV brand and problem in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.